Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Which can better secure your car? Number 1. Cars with old standard keys. Cars with mechanical locks will be hard to break into at any time since thieves will have to use bulky tools and are more likely to be spotted. Number 2. Cars with keyless entry. Cars with wireless entry and auto start are the modern version of car locks without having to use physical keys. This involves an electronic key fob to enable keyless entry as well as keyless ignition. Whether you have the standard or keyless way, car thieves will not stop in coming up with increasingly creative ways to steal your precious possession. So it's important that car owners are aware of the strengths and weaknesses of each method, and resort to layering when necessary, to reduce the chances of the car being stolen. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.